We're looking at sunspots on the sun. It is about 9:30 a.m. February 22nd, 2023. We're in Ormond Beach, Florida. And it's a foggy morning. Perfect for viewing the sun. And I'm using a Nikon P1000. There is a lot of sunspot activity on the sun today. Look at that. That's a huge sunspot by itself, not to mention all the little ones around it. Look at all of those sunspots, the little ones too. This got a bunch of big ones in it. They're like medium sized. It's a big area though. Sorry about all the shaky. I don't have my tripod. I'm just propped up on top of my truck. I'm doing the best I can handheld. But anyways, that's our big, beautiful soul today. Here in sunny Florida, where it's going to be damn near 90 degrees here today. It's going to be like 88. The rest of the country is in blizzard conditions. And all we got is a little bit of fog for the morning. The rest of the day is going to be beautiful. Pretty much a repeat of yesterday. It's insane. But I can see the sunspots from Earth like this with just a Nikon. Okay, I got shit to do. This is Ormond Beach Skywatcher. Millie sees you out.